Hi, Cliffie. See, Cliffie's going to be nice. Yeah, he just got out of the bathroom a little while ago, and I've been trying to play with him a bit. And he's chasing kitties, right? Because you think that's good. Yeah. Well, we're trying not to do that. Yeah, we're trying to be a good boy, right? Right? Yes. Right. So we want to be a good boy. Yeah. So we could be a good boy. Good boy. Mm-hmm. He's listening to all the house noises. They're kind of new to him. Yeah, he's going to be a good boy. And play with his toy. He likes his chirpy mouse. Mm-hmm. And Mommy's getting up and blowing her nose. Yeah. You going to be good? Gonna go chase kitties. No chasing kitties, please. Cliffie. Cliffie. Hey. Cliffie. Yeah. Oh, leave everybody alone. Come on now. Cliffie. Come on. Come back to the bathroom. No chasing kitties. That's Chester. He doesn't want to play with Cliffie. Okay, I guess I have to put this down so I can get Cliffie back towards the bathroom. Okay, we're going to play a little bit. Cliffy's already chased a couple of cats down the hall because he's all crazy. He's been in the bathroom all night again. And he's probably nocturnal because he was at a shopping center for a few months and probably only came outside at night. Right? Yeah, bigger boy.